Hi guys, today we're doing a mother-son video. My name is Macy. Just to see if we're going to be doing a slime video. And this was all melty, but Eva fixed it. So we're going to show you how it turned out. So let's get started. So it used to be sticky, but now it came good. So it's actually very cool. So to see it really close, and we're going to show this one that this color changes in a minute. Aren't we, Eva? Of course we are. She nodded her head. She doesn't like talking in videos, so that's why I'm doing the talking. So now she just understands that one a little bit more. Now moving on to this one. So it's going to be cool. So and this is gonna be, and if it's gonna put some of this perfume in, it's Nivea. It's gonna turn really good. I never saw this, so I think it's gonna turn really good. I think it is. So guys, start kneading it. It looks like it's getting good and gooder. Cause so if I'd want more perfume in. Okay, so now I read that. And now she's gonna put some of this in. Mix up. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think I do, because it's gonna melt it probably. It's probably gonna melt the other one. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna be feeling this one. No, I'm just joking, guys. Yeah, I'm just joking. So it's actually fun to play with. I'm just gonna show you the color one more time to make sure, so you can see it actually the best color, okay, guys? Okay, that's the color, just so you can see it again. So I'm just gonna play with this for a minute while Eva puts that in. Okay, I'm gonna close it. There, so she's just putting that in, and it looks so weird and gooey. So bye guys.